Our next presentation is all about cash flow with respect to technology using major markets. And from TB Global FX, please welcome Viraj Patel to the stage.
Good afternoon. So I see here, this is my first time when I'm speaking in Dubai. The speakers are speaking with all the interesting topics and people are not interacting. Are we sleepy? Can we have some interaction, some energy? Yes. All right. That makes me feel good. Can we have a round of applause for the previous speaker as well? Yes. So you people might be thinking that this guy is so young. Should we actually listen to him? So let me tell you a bit about myself. Of course, this is not about myself, but a short introduction. My name is Viraj Patel. I come from India. So I've been in the entrepreneur space for nearly 5 years. I've been working in more than 15 countries. I've been consulting many businesses. So Forex is not just my business. I'm into many businesses. So here again, as I said, that I'm not here to talk about myself, but talk about TP Global and how to make cash flow with respect to live markets. So am I an expert in Forex? The answer is no. How many people consider themselves as not an expert? Can you raise your hands? All right. And how many people out of that are interested to make money? All right. That's what interests us the most, right? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. So what is actually an expert? An expert is someone who has spent over 10,000 hours in the live market. So I've been associated with many experts who have been there in the market for more than 12 plus years. So it's not that I don't know anything about that. But the point is, even if you're not an expert, how you can make money, I'll take you through the process. So there is a simple 3-step process in this, wherein you can read on the screen, like you should, just a minute, I think I double click. Yeah, 3-step process, wherein the first step is like, of course, when you want to participate in the financial market, you should be wise enough to choose the broker. How many people know about the broker? Yeah. So basically, I'm not here to talk about what is there on the website, but what are the basic things that you should know as an individual, even if you're an expert or not, so that you'll be wise enough to choose a broker. I'm not saying that TP Global is perfect, but if you consider this criteria, maybe you might make a wise decision. Number 1, as you see, which is mentioned in the screen, market hierarchy. Many people don't know about this, like market hierarchy, when you deposit the money, your money goes to the liquidity provider and it goes to the big banks. So it is crucial that a broker is following the market hierarchy. If it is not following the market hierarchy, there might be a risk of your money. So broker, if it is following the market hierarchy, in the either case, even if you win the trade or lose the trade, your money is safe. Of course, when we participate in the financial market, the first concern which comes to our mind is our money safe? Am I right? Of course. So this is a crucial pointer which you need to consider. Number 2 is the diversity is available. What are the options available wherein you can participate with? Here with TP Global, we have more than 150 options. All the currency pairs, all the cryptocurrencies, the commodities, derivatives, coffee, soya bean, etc. With all of these options, you get to know about different pairs and you have a lot to participate in. And because the markets are volatile, you can make money from whatever diversities are available. Point number 3, trading platforms which are supported. We support MT4, MT5, and also we are coming up with one more personalized platform which is called as Vertex, wherein you can get a lot of personalized stuff, which I won't be talking in length about. Number 4, customer support. In majority of the cases, why I want to talk about customer support? Customer support is not just the Autobot which is made to respond you. You know, in major cases, it's been like almost 3+ years when I've been working with Forex. I had a lot of Autobots with good brokers. I'm not here to badmouth any other broker. But they just respond to you and give you a technical explanation how your problem won't be solved. Is that what you're looking forward to? Of course, you're here to look for a solution. And here, I can tell you one thing, that they are looking forward to give you a genuine solution. Can we have a round of applause for this broker? Pay-in, payout solution. This is one of the crucial factors. It doesn't matter that how long, I mean, they're not there for 15, 20 years. But again, when I come from an Asian market, which constitutes of more than 60% population of the world, if there is no pay-in and payout solution available for you, is it easy for you to participate or is it difficult? Of course, it is difficult. So here, we cover all the Asian markets, the Latin American markets, the African markets, as well as some parts of Europe. I'll take you to the next slide. When you evaluate all of this, and also the regulations. People talk a lot about regulations. I would ask you one question. Forget about the regulations. What conditions, what trading conditions are favorable for you? That matters to you the most. And regulated broker is a good broker. But of course, these people are regulated in Vanuatu, wherein the conditions are favorable for you. I'll explain you about that in the coming slides. So again, when you validate all of these points, you might come to a wise decision how you can go ahead with choosing the broker. As I said, it is a 3-step process. Process number 2 is like you should know the basics. There are some basics, even if you are not an expert, you should know about. Risk and money management. I see many fancy websites wherein they say that your money will be doubled, quadrupled, tripled. It is not true. If it was a fact, everybody in the world would be doing Forex. Do you agree with me? Hello? So, the matter of fact is like only 9% to 8% of the people make money because they know the basics of risk and money management. How much trades you are going to place according to your capital. How much equity you need to have to participate on certain pair. Number 2, lot sizes. How much lot sizes, how much equity you're putting as per your standard lot, mini lot, micro lot. This is the basic understanding which you need to know as a beginner or even as an expert. Number 3, which is pips. In any industry you work, there is a unit of measurement. So here the unit of measurement of profit or loss is pips. So if you know that, even if you are not an expert, it will be quite easier for you to understand the potential of the market and for you to make your money to work for itself. Spread, swap, commissions. Many people say that our spread is raw, our spread is good. I don't know. I don't know whether the spread is good. Spread is what? The difference between the ask and bid. So just check in one pair what the, for example, we are taking a pair USD JPY. Check the spread in TP Global, check the spread in some other broker. I feel they have good spreads, decent enough for you to participate, wherein you can save your money. Commission or spread, it is applicable in either of the cases. When I talk about swap, swap is the international broker bank charge when you are holding a trade overnight. So when you are holding a trade overnight, I have come across many brokers wherein, you know, they charge me $38, some other broker is charging me $10, someone is charging me $50. Why is the difference? Again, when I asked to the customer support, they gave me an inland technical information why that money should be deducted. So you should be well aware of these facts which are not mentioned on the website. I am not here to talk about the facts that are mentioned on the website. You can check it on the website itself. You are here to know something which is not on the website and which is crucial factor for you to know. Do you agree with that? Systems to educate the customer. Here at TP Global, we have daily newsletters wherein you are updated on an email which you are putting while registering in the broker about what are the market conditions, what pairs to participate in, what is the expected high and low as per the technical fundamental analysis, which for a new customer is very easy for them to participate. Last but not the least, market open and close time. When we talk about cryptocurrencies, they also have cryptocurrencies. I've come across many best brokers or big brokers wherein crypto market is supposed to be open 24/7, right? But in Forex brokers, they say that no, this market is open only 24/5. So in Forex, crypto will be closed. That itself says whether the broker is following the market hierarchy or not. But with TP Global, even on Saturday and Sunday, you will find all the crypto pairs also opens and the market working on real time, which gives you the assurity that your money is safe and they are following the market hierarchy. Again, can we have a round of applause for them? Last but not the least, when you have chosen a broker, when you know the basics and you have started to make your money to work for itself, you can leverage from other people's money as well. What do I mean by leverage from other people's money? You can promote the broker and be an individual franchisee owner of the broker, which is called as a introducing broker or maybe an affiliate sort of model which everybody has. So a few pointers which I would like to share about the broker. In the pandemic, when all the businesses were falling, I don't know about the entire broker story because I am not the broker representative. I am just a business consultant. I myself, when I participated with this broker, in 17 months alone, we onboarded 31,000 customers, which shows the pandemic growth percentage. Definitely, the next point which is written is perfect or growing. Is TP Global perfect? My answer is no. Perfect is a word which is just there in the dictionary. But it is improving, which is what I believe. Because whatever concerns you express them as a customer, they actually address you. They actually make sure that they're getting addressed and solved. So it is what you need as a customer. If they are improving, of course, you have the scope to grow as a trader or as an IB or as a promoter whatsoever. Open to provide expansion solutions. Even if you're launching businesses, let's say in some other markets, they're open to your ideas. If they see potential, they give pay-in, pay-out solutions, get you all the available logistics which is required for you to get there. Wherein, like, when I started in this industry, when I was not working with them, I had to do all of that. So what would be easier for you? If the broker is providing that logistics or you have to do all of that? Broker, of course. Last but not the least, campaigns. So all the brokers have some campaigns wherein, they incentivize you so that you can participate in them or promote them. So are the campaigns realistic? I see their campaigns realistic, not because I'm speaking for them, of course, but there were many campaigns wherein they say that when you deposit money, you will get bonus. But that actually doesn't get encashed in your account. It's just upon your trading. You do this much lots, then we'll give you that money, and when you do that much lots, your account is blown out. But here, the incentive was positioned in such a way wherein if you trade in a proper way, if you bring in certain amount of volume without having hypothetical targets, you can achieve the Dubai trip, which was the last incentive which was there. Many people qualified through that also, and which gives us a taste of like what we are working with, what genuine platform we are working with, and they are actually willing to build the incentive. Many people are here from the incentive as well. Last point, as I have got only 15 minutes to talk, so I can't talk in length. Of course, I would like to. So what sort of businesses in pandemic went to the trends? I'll talk about my personal impact. I have many businesses, but in this Forex business, I don't have any office. But I just joined this business looking at the technology and the disruption which was happening around the world. When I joined this business 17 months ago as an introducing broker, as an IB, as an affiliate, the support was of such sort and the attraction was of such sort that it made me like $7-figure US earner a year just through this business itself. And that's my story and nobody can take it from me. Time in the market plus growth scenarios, of course, they're not been in the market for a lot of time, but the growth scenario is good enough wherein you can experience with a growing trend, you can also be a part of them and grow along with them. I don't know what is wise for them. New normal. Again, as I said, the world is changing. Of course, like change is the new normal. If you don't change, your life will be impacted in a negative way. And if you change, I think it can be a positive one. And you are the change. Thank you so much. See you at the booth.